The James Webb Space Telescope, often dubbed the Hubble's successor, has astounded astronomers by peering deep into the cosmos and uncovering massive structures situated at the very edge of the observable universe. In a groundbreaking mission, Webb's powerful near-infrared camera captured these astonishing discoveries, challenging long-held theories about the universe's early evolution. In this video, we're going to delve deep into what this groundbreaking discovery is, why it's so significant, and how it's changing the game for astrophysics and our perception of the cosmos. So let's get started. The sudden discovery has confounded expectations, and its massive existence puzzles the scientific community. These mysterious entities have emerged as a perplexing enigma in the wake of the James Webb Space Telescope's initial observation campaign. It flew into space from a launch site in French Guiana on December 25, 2021, after some delays. The project was first thought of in 1996 and was supposed to cost $0.5 billion, but it ended up costing nearly $10 billion. JWST was fully opened on January 8, 2022, and it arrived at its destination on January 24th. On March 16, 2022, it pointed all its mirrors at one star for the first time. JWST is farther from Earth than Hubble. Hubble is about 570 kilometers above Earth, but JWST is at a point called Lagrange Point 2, or L2, which is 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth in the opposite direction from the Sun. It's a place where the pull of gravity from the Earth and the Sun is balanced, so it stays there easily. In deep field images captured by the Webb, galaxies of comparable mass to the Milky Way, teeming with fully developed red stars, have unexpectedly materialized. Astronomers are now grappling with the bewildering presence of these distant celestial bodies, which, to the powerful telescope, appear as diminutive crimson specks. Through an analysis of the light emanating from these galaxies, scientists have ascertained that they are glimpsing a cosmic era 500 to 700 million years after the cataclysmic event known as the Big Bang. This discovery is based on Webb's inaugural data release and raises intriguing questions about the early universe. The existence of early galaxies itself isn't astonishing. Astronomers had anticipated the emergence of initial star clusters shortly after the universe emerged from its dark ages, a period encompassing the first 400 million years, during which space was shrouded in a dense veil of hydrogen atoms. However, the sudden appearance of these distant galaxies with their mature red stars has left experts in wonder. The galaxies captured in the images from the James Webb Space Telescope have astounded scientists with their unexpected size and the apparent age of the stars within them. These new discoveries challenge the prevailing notions of the early universe's appearance and evolution and stand in stark contrast to observations made by Webb's predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope. In contrast to preconceived ideas, the galaxies observed in the Webb images appear remarkably large, with stars that seem unusually old. The prevailing expectation for early universe galaxies was that they would be small and teeming with young stars. These were envisioned as entities freshly emerging from the cosmic primordial stew, actively crafting their nascent stars and structures. Young stars typically emit a brilliant blue light, which gradually shifts to a redder glow as they consume their fuel and cool down over time. Thus, the ancient galaxies targeted by Webb were not anticipated to harbor these mature red stars. Furthermore, researchers were taken aback by the sheer size of these galaxies. They had not anticipated coming across galaxies boasting more than 1 billion times the mass of our Sun. Surprisingly, the red light entities discovered within Webb's deep fields exhibited a mass that was a staggering 50 times greater than what had been predicted. The biggest galaxies we found are much lighter, only about a quarter to half the weight of our Milky Way, Leia explained. This surprised us. We've come across galaxy candidates that are as heavy as our own galaxy when the universe was just 3% of its current age. Leisure mentioned that before scientists changed their ideas about the universe to explain how these galaxies formed so fast after the Big Bang, they need to make sure the strange red dots they're studying aren't something else. However, many of the other possible explanations would also need entirely new ideas, Leia pointed out. For instance, stars in the early universe might give off light in strange ways because they didn't have many heavy elements. We might not be including these differences in our models, or maybe our current knowledge of how stars are born locally, like how many stars form from gas based on the star's size, doesn't apply to the early universe. Finding these things out would also be exciting and would change our understanding of star formation in the early universe, but in a very different way. The pictures that showed these strange galaxies were taken by a special camera on a telescope as part of a program to study the history of the universe. Soon, scientists will use Webb to look at these galaxies again, but this time they want to see the colors of light they give off. These colors can help them learn about the matter these galaxies are made of and how they are built. One of the scientists, Leia, says that the most important thing about these colors is that they can tell us exactly how far away these galaxies are. Knowing the distance is like knowing the address of these galaxies, and it helps us understand what they are. So, by looking at the colors, we can figure out if our ideas about these galaxies are right. Not long ago, the Webb telescope showed us some amazing things about the early universe. It was the first time we ever saw it, and we didn't know what we would find. What we discovered was so surprising that it's causing problems for science. It's like a big puzzle piece that doesn't fit with the rest of the puzzle, and it's making scientists question what they thought they knew about how galaxies formed in the early universe. The discovery of massive structures at the edge of the observable universe by the James Webb telescope carries profound future implications. First, it expands our understanding of the universe's early history, offering insights into how these colossal formations came to be. This knowledge may lead to breakthroughs in cosmology and astrophysics, potentially rewriting our current theories about the birth and evolution of galaxies and superclusters. Second, this discovery opens up new possibilities for space exploration. The structures may serve as destinations for future missions, allowing scientists to study them up close. This could lead to the development of advanced space technologies and innovative ways to reach these distant locations. The findings could also influence the selection of future space telescopes and instruments, focusing on specific areas of interest. Moreover, the discovery of these massive structures may deepen our search for extraterrestrial life. These regions could be potential hotspots for habitable exoplanets and unique celestial phenomena, providing important targets for further investigation. This insight could encourage the development of space missions designed to search for signs of life beyond Earth, increasing the chances of making groundbreaking discoveries. The data from the James Webb Telescope's findings will likely stimulate global collaboration in astronomy and space exploration. Scientists from various countries will come together to analyze the information and propose future projects, enhancing our collective knowledge of the cosmos. Additionally, this discovery may attract more funding and support for space research, potentially leading to more powerful telescopes and missions. The universe has just revealed its secrets in ways we couldn't have imagined. The James Webb Space Telescopes is one of another incredible discoveries. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest cosmic discoveries, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. Let's spread the wonder of the universe together.